This is the new Roman blind I sold last week. I'm very happy with it. Look, isn't it working perfectly? What I learned from this is keep on checking the measurements and always keep square and straight. Now this is how I made it. The first step, measurement. Because I was making it for the bay window, I have 2 small pieces and 1 large piece. I was going to fit the blind inside the window frame. This is my measurement. Small windows, width 57 centimeters by height 155 centimeters. Large window, width 140 centimeters by height 155 centimeters. When you cut out the lining fabric, it needs to be exactly the same size as your measurements. When you cut out the outer fabric, you need to add 10 centimeters to each side for 3 sides and add 18 centimeters on the top side. This is because we need to fold the outer fabric over to make hems. I spent a whole day to plan and cut out the fabric. The planning stage is very important. Now, step 2. I need to sew the lining to the outer fabric. I had to use a slip stitch because if I used a sewing machine, the stitches would show on the reverse side, which looks ugly. It was time-consuming, yes, but no stitches would be seen. Sewing and listening to my audiobook was therapeutic. It took me 2 days to hand sew all 3 pieces of the blind all the way around. Step 3. I need to decide the position of my rods. I think the best way is folding it up yourself to see what fold size you are happy with. I found the size I like is 44 centimeters between the rods. When the folds up, the fold will be 22 centimeters. The bottom piece is always half fold, so the rod space from bottom to top is 22 centimeters, 44 centimeters, and 44 centimeters. I need 3 rods. This tape is specially made for holding the rods. Maybe you can't see here, but on one side of it, there is lots of hoops for you to thread through the cords. Carefully measure out and then sew on rod tape. When you sew the tapes on, the stitches will show on the other side of the blind, but that is okay, because once the blind's up, these stitches will be hidden inside the folds. When I sew the second and the third piece, I put the first piece on the top to check they are identical. Otherwise, they will be in different height. When the blind is up, that will be looking messy. Sew one part of the Velcro across the outer fabric right side. From the bottom of the Velcro to the bottom of the fabric should be exactly your measurement of the height. In my case, it is 155 centimeters. Tidy up the tape ends. Then push through the rods tape. I used a fire lighter to seal the ends, otherwise they will come loose. Now thread through the cords. Rods first or cords first, it really doesn't matter, it's up to you. It works either way. Tie a knot on the first rolled tape, then thread through other tape loops, keeping straight. Then the rods meet in the same direction of your choice. For small windows, I use 2 cords. For the large window, I used 3. The other piece of Velcro should be fit on the wood in advance. Because our blend is quite heavy, my husband used super glue, then a staple gun to fix it. If your window is small, use a double-sized tape and a staple gun will be fine. Fix the cleat on the window frame. When the blind is up, you may tie the cords on it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please like, share, or subscribe to my channel. It is free